In 1998, Bulgari's aluminium collection broke the rules, mixing aluminium with rubber in a sporty chic design that became an instant icon. Fast forward to Geneva Watch Days 2025, and the collection evolves once again with a bold new material. Bronze. Meet the Bulgari Bronzo GMT and the Bronzo Chronograph. For the very first time in this collection, bronze takes center stage. Sandblasted for a matte finish, it pairs with black rubber accents for a striking contrast. Over time, the bronze will develop its own patina, making every watch truly unique. The Bronzo GMT is built for travelers. At 40 millimeters and just 9.7 millimeters thick, it's slim, stylish, and water-resistant to 100 meters. The black DLC-coated titanium crown and caseback balance toughness with comfort. On the dial, oversized numerals at 12 and 6, bold white indices, and a luminous rose gold GMT hand make reading a second time zone effortless. Inside, the caliber B192 delivers a 50-hour power reserve, with the GMT hand adjustable in 1-hour jumps. Price, 4,390 Swiss francs, 5,200 euros. The Bronzo Chronograph, at 41 millimeters, ups the energy. Alongside bronze and black rubber, it introduces a sporty tachymeter scale on the dial and thick gold-coated hands for enhanced presence. Powered by the caliber B381 with a Dubois de Praz module, it runs at 28,800 vibrations per hour and offers a 42-hour reserve. Price, 5,450 Swiss francs, 6,500 euros. Both models come with articulated black rubber straps, bronze links, and a clever hook-and-loop clasp system. Bold, distinctive, and unmistakably Bulgari, the Bronzo GMT and Chronograph prove that 25 years on, the aluminium spirit is alive and stronger than ever. If you enjoyed this look at Bulgari's latest releases, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the world of luxury watches.